Hello and welcome to this simulation. Today I did a model of the sequential air blast loading over the concrete slab reinforced with CFRP sheets. Here you can see CFRP with 8 layers. You can see that. And let's move to check the compressive damage during the first air blast simulation, the tensile damage. You can see that. The plastic string, the stiffness degradation, and the stress. The maximum stress happening in the CFRP sheet. You can see that. So this is the first simulation, but in the second simulation we import these results, this damage, residual stress, displacement, everything in the new simulation as an initial situation. In the second model, see the second model. Let's me to check the second model in step 0 in increment 0. This is apply, and let me check the compressive damage. See, this is the compressive damage from the previous simulation. You can see that. But at the end here, apply, you can see it is changed during the second blast. And let's me to check the tensile damage at first. This is the result from the previous simulation, and now at the end of the second simulation, you can see the damage. For Hashim damage criterion, see Hashim damage at the, you can see that. See, it is 2%. At the end, it is 29%. And the stiffness degradation. This is the end, and this is the first. Okay, and we import the result, the stress residual damage, from the second simulation to the third simulation. See, in the third simulation, in the frame 0, you can see that here, the compressive damage is this, but at the end, this. And you can see the deformation here. The deformation is too much. And for instance, the stiffness degradation here at the end here, and for instance the one matrix damage is this, at the end is this, you can see. So let's me to remove the concrete, for instance. See the damage for the CFRP. Okay, and we can achieve everything, displacement and everything. So this is the sequential air blast analysis over the reinforced concrete slab with CFRP. So if you need this tutorial, you can come to our website www.abaqusfm.com, find the English tutorials, click on the title or blue sign. This is continue. And if you can't find this tutorial, you can search it here at the search section of the website, and then you will find it. So here, this is the explanation about the geometry and part module, and then the material steps, interaction and the procedure, and then the results here. At the end, there are 3 important points. You can provide CAE, INP and English video file step by step, and the cost is $31 US. If you have bitcoins, you can pay it with that. If you haven't bitcoins, you can pay it with PayPal. This is a better way to use PayPal. If you have PayPal account, send me an email to this address, and then I will tell you about the purchasing process through a PayPal account. Thank you for attention.